Hello, everyone. This is Brian, and what we're looking at here right now is a small lab setup that I have. I'm currently studying for my CCNP Switch exam. I've already taken and passed the CCNP route, so I've got a little bit of equipment here to study for the Switch exam, as I mentioned. The top piece of equipment we're looking at here is a Cisco 3550 Layer 3 switch. It's really more of the management switch and a breakout switch that I'm using to take any connection from the computer and break it out into ports. I can have a VLAN coming from the computer and have it broken out to a specific port to kind of emulate having multiple network interfaces. The two switches beneath it are Cisco 2950 switches. They're 24 port 10100, and they have two uplinks on each one. The top one has RJ45 gigabit uplinks, and the bottom is some type of fiber that I'm not really familiar with. Then the two switches underneath it are Cisco 3560 layer 3 switches, 48 ports with 4 SFP slots for uplinks. Also only 10100 gigabit switches are kind of high even on eBay, so these will be what I'm using for my lab studies for the CCNP Switch, basically. Now, immediately below that, I've got a couple of gear that I'll be using for other aspects of the study, in case if I need to hook up routers for a hot standby recovery protocol, if that's right, or basically your redundancy protocols. So I'm going to be starting my studies in a few days, and probably take a couple of months to really familiarize myself with it. Much of what I do at work is already switching related, carrier Ethernet to a degree, so I've got a pretty good understanding of the basics anyways of the Cisco switching, and so hopefully I'll get more. I'll take my exam and pass it, and then I'll just have my final CCNP troubleshoot exam left before I finish and have my CCNP certification. I think that'll probably be where I stop. I don't see myself going for a CCIE exam anytime soon, or ever really. Might change my mind, but probably not. But I guess only time will tell. After this exam, I think the next one might be the JNCIA Juniper certification. Anyways, I'll probably make some more videos as I take some time to study the different topics at hand, and probably maybe mix GNSN3 in some if I need more routers than what I've got. I don't really see that happening for this. I may need more switching hardware, I'm not sure. I'll have to just see what's needed as I study.